Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. It's good to have you here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support towards my channel. My name is Sandra. Thank you so much. In today's video, I'll be sharing my life here in the Italian countryside, how I live my life here, my simple living, the little farm I'm doing here with my family in the Italian countryside. What I'm doing here in the farm today is that I'm planting egusi in between the corn that were planted some weeks ago. So we allow the corn to grow first before planting egusi. For some of my viewers who have been watching me, you will see that last year I planted this egusi here in the same mini farm and I harvested it. I made a video for how I harvested it, washed it and sun dried it. So this year I'm also planting it to also harvest and sun dry it. Let me explain for those of us who don't know what egusi is. We grow egusi in West Africa, especially for their nutrients. They are a vital staple in African cuisine, famous for the rich, nutty soup made from the ground seed. And why we allow the corn to grow first before planting the egusi in between? Because they grow exactly like watermelon. So if we plant the egusi before the corn, we will not have space, or we cannot dig anywhere to plant the corn. How we do it in Africa, in my own country, Nigeria, I was taught by my mom how she used to plant it. We allow the corn, or if you want to plant it in between cassava, you allow the cassava to grow to this extent where the corn is now, or you allow the corn to grow like this before planting the egusi. I will put the link to the video of how I harvested, fermented and washed and dried my egusi, the one I made last year. So if you have not watched it before, you can go and check it out. I will leave the link under the description of this video. Sharing this my little way I'm living my life and my family here in Italy. You can as well do it. You have space, your backyard, you can plant things. Things are very expensive now. Full stuff, you can't buy them. You have little money, when you get to the market, you just buy a few things, the money is gone. When you have opportunity to plant things like this, you plant. Even your back corner, you can as well do it. So that you, at least you can save some money for yourself and for other things. So that's why I'm sharing this experience with you, to encourage someone out there. If I can do it here in Italy, you can also do it wherever you are living. As long as you have space, you can plant. Even your back corner, you can do it. Food is very expensive, inflation everywhere, so that's why. After planting, I'm now watering them. Please guys, if you have been watching up to this moment, please give me a like and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Share my videos with your families and friends. Thank you so much. So after planting and finishing my farm work for the day, I decided to make snacks for my family. I'll be making puff puff. First thing is that I want to make some hibiscus tea. First, I will be putting in some dried hibiscus flower and adding hot water to make hibiscus tea for myself. Now I want to activate my yeast before using it to make puff puff dough. So what I'm using now is some warm water, a tablespoon of sugar. Before I will now pour in the yeast, stir very well and allow it to activate for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's time to mix the flour, some sugar, salt, and the fermented yeast. As you are watching, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and share. Thank you. At this point, I want to appreciate again my subscribers, my viewers, first time viewers, my supporters, those of you always coming back to watch my video, my returning subscribers. I really appreciate. I'm grateful for all the great support you have been giving towards this channel. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. Now after mixing everything, I will allow it to rest, double in size before frying it. After allowing it to rest for some time, now it's time to fry it. You can see it's already doubled in size. I'll just have to mix it with my hands, then I'll start to fry it. I will heat up some oil before frying it. Now I want to flip them over and allow the other side to done before removing them from the oil. Now they are golden brown and I want to remove them from the oil. After taking them out from the oil, I will also repeat the same process for the remaining dough. Here we are, our puff-puff is ready. It is time to give it a try. You are invited, come and enjoy with me. It was so yummy with my hibiscus tea. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I will see you again in my next one. I really appreciate your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye for now.